Hello everyone, I'm Rakesh and welcome back to my channel CodeStreamTech, making learning easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you want easy ways to learn Pega and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. The link is available in the below description. If you're looking for a complete Pega developer training where you can learn the things right from the basics till advanced, where you can learn traditional UI and constellation UI, then you can join my course on Udemy. Or if you're a working Pega developer but haven't really started with constellation, then you can join my Constellation Beginners Icebreaker course on Udemy. For both these courses, you will get the discount coupon code on my site www.codestreamtech.com. Also, I have added blogs for my previous videos on my site, so please do check it out. So guys, before starting with this video, please like this video and share it with your friends who are learning Pega. This will motivate me to create more such content. So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Pega GenAI Agent. Before watching this video, please watch my previous video on Pega GenAI Coach. And you can continue watching this video after watching my previous video. Pega GenAI Agent is similar to Pega GenAI Coach but with some additional functionalities which makes it more powerful. Within Coach, we can only configure the predefined questions, but in Agent, apart from predefined questions, any user can ask any question. This makes Agent more powerful than Coach. To support this functionality, Pega GenAI Agent makes use of Pega GenAI Tools. So within Pega, we have different categories of Pega GenAI Tool, which we'll see soon. Let's suppose as a business requirement, you know that within your case type, your end users are going to ask about a particular case type. In that case, you can create Pega GenAI tool for that specific case type and you can include within the agent. Apart from the case type, there are different types of Pega GenAI tools which we can configure based on the business requirement. For example, data pages, flow actions, automations, agents, etc. So let's get started. From Dev Studio, go to Records, Generative AI, and here you will find this category Agent. Before continuing this video, please watch my previous video on GenAI Coach. And in this video, we're going to create GenAI Agent. Let's click on this. And now let me create one agent. Let's click Create. Let's provide a name. Let's say Test KYC Agent. And let me make it applicable to our case type. Let's go to App. Let me copy this. Let me mention this class, test case KYC1, and let's click Create and Open. So by default, you will land on this definition page where you need to provide all these details. Let's start with instructions. So just like GenAI Coach, you need to provide instructions to the agent. Just like Coach, here as well, you will provide the prompt for the GenAI agent to set the context like what is the responsibilities of this agent. So to addition to the agent instruction, there are a couple of more fields like guardrails and response style and tone. So this will help agent to give a realistic touch. And if we go below, here we'll get this option additional context where we can configure the data page for a source, and it works in same fashion like Pega GenAI Coach. And here you will find these similar options like starter question. Here you can mention the question and you can provide additional instructions based on which the answer will be generated. And after that, you can provide more questions and additional instructions. Let me provide some dummy data over here. Let me click save. So from here, let me change this AI model to Cloud 3 Haiku. Let me provide description and usage as well. And now we are good. Let's go back to definition tab. So as of now, instead of writing all the instructions, let me copy something from the existing agent. So when I created this application, I got all these instructions which I am going to use. If you want, you can make use of any AI tool to get this generated for you. Let me copy these starter questions as well. Now let me add few quick select questions and instructions. Let me add one more. And now let me check out and save this. So here we are done with our changes for now. And like I said, based on your business requirement, you can add the instructions, guardrails, response styles, and other input fields. So here you will find some additional tabs over here, which we are going to see. Let's have a look on this case types tab. And here you will find one option to enter, that is tool. If you go to records, within generative AI, apart from agent, GenAI coach or GenAI connect, you will get one more option, that is tool. Let's go to this tool category and let me open one of the tool. So here if you observe this, so here description contains the prompt which will help Pega GenAI to fetch more details related to this case type. If you click on this question mark, it says describe the goal of this tool including key scenarios it addresses and the expected result. So you can add your description over here. Apart from that, you can add a few phrases here. Using these tools, GenAI Agent will try to gather more relevant information. So let's go back to our agent. And once you click add over here and hit the down arrow, it will show you all the tools. Based on your requirement, you can select a particular tool. So just like case type, we have a couple of more tabs, that is knowledge and advanced tools. Let's go to knowledge. So here as well, you will get this option to add a tool. Just hit the down arrow. But now this time you will get a different list which is related to this category. Let me select this get case data. Let me open this tool. So here as well, you will find some description and some example phrases. If you go to action of this tool, you will find its category is data page. Whereas if you go to the previous tool, its action is case type. So based on the category at different places, we'll be able to select different tools. Now let's go to the advanced tools, and here as well you will find different categories of tools like actions, agents, external agents. Again, let's go back to the tool, and here if you expand this drop down, you will find different categories of these tools like agent, automation, buddy, case type, data page, and flow. So let's go back. So at the moment, I'm not going to configure any other tool. Now let me go to settings. Here you can select your AI model which you are interested in. Let me refresh this. So I will go with this configuration, and now let me go back to App Studio. Now let's go to case types. Let me open this test case KYC1, and from here let's go to UX tab. Now let's go below. Just like we configured Pega GenAI Coach, in the same manner we are going to configure Pega GenAI Agent. So here my agent is not appearing, so let me log off and log in again. Let's go back to case types. Let's open this case type, test KYC1. Let's go to UX tab, and from this agent section, let me click add, and my newly created test KYC agent is available over here. Let me select that and click add. Let's save this. Now let's click preview. Let's go and create a case, test case KYC1. So here we go. And at the right hand side bottom corner, you will get this option, chat with AI. Let's click on that. And here we go, test KYC agent. So you might get such errors. You might get such errors while running the agent or coach. You can simply try running this after some time and that should work. Let me select one question. I'm getting the same error. Let me close this. Let's go to Dev Studio. Let me again go to the agent settings. Now instead of this, let me try using Gemini Mini. Let's save this. From here, let me launch the portal. Let's create a new case, advance. And here we go. So as you can see, the Gen AI is giving us this result. So sometimes there could be a problem with the AI model. So simply you can try changing the AI model and check the result. If you want, you can wait for some time as well, and you should receive some results. And let's go to suggestions. So if you remember, we had configured 3 questions which are here. We can select this and GenAI agent will provide answer for our questions. So here it has given this complete answer. If you observe one more thing, apart from selecting the pre-configured questions, end user can ask any question to the agent. So that is the extended functionality which agent provides. And that is the reason, if you look at this agent rule, we have different tools configured over here for case types, for knowledge and advanced tools. So based on the question asked, Pega GenAI will decide which GenAI tool will help to answer this question, and based on that, a specific tool will be selected among the provided tools and it will try to answer the question. So this is the use of Pega GenAI tool. Let me ask this question. How to complete KYC global case? Let's see what it answers. So here it is giving us some instructions. Please note that here we haven't provided any information related to global KYC, but if you want your Pega GenAI agent to give specific answers, then you can configure tool for your case type. and based on the information which you provided, it will provide the answer. Otherwise, it will make use of GenAI capabilities to fetch the results. So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope you liked this and it gave you some insights on Pega GenAI Agent and Pega GenAI Tool. I'm planning to add more such content on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get the latest notifications. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe, have a nice day.